Majority of you request nimfanyie strategy under 7 and your request is always my command, okay? So nataka niwapeleke step by step, at least muweze kuelewa hii strategy vizuri, okay? Nimekuwa nikielezea hii strategy tukikuwa na live trading pale hivyo TikTok, but I think it's good I explain right now because maybe kuna mtu apatangi chance ya kuingia pale kwa TikTok live, okay? So first of all, tunakupeleka tu step by step. On your phone, make sure that you open your Chrome or maybe any other browser yenye unatumianga. For example, mimi nitafungua Chrome na pia nitatumia Google for analysis purposes, okay? So nitakuja hapo nifungue hivyo. Nikifungua hivi, obviously itanipeleka kwa my website because nilikuwa nisha login, okay? So let me change this to light mode first of all. I hope kila mtu ndio ikuwe visible, okay? Yeah, hivi sasa. So to get this amazing platform, unakujanga kwa ya browser. For example, nikitaka kuja hapa, I'm going to type a green product site. Let me show you like this, green product site. Unaona? Then itakuletea hii link hapa hivi. You just click it like that, okay? So by doing that, you'll be directed to this website. Kama uja create account, unaweza tumia ile sign up icon inakuanga hapa juu. You create a trading account and you'll be good to go. Kama uko na account, you just have to click login, then you log into your derivative account and start trading. Okay, so to analyze market using this strategy, you only need two analysis tools. And guess what? These two analysis tools are provided right here of this website for free, okay? So ukilogin, make sure that umefungua DTrader, ndio hii hapa. But before that, I want to show you the best bot yenye unaweza tumia na hii strategy. Ndio tukienda pale kwa analysis, because I want us to use a different browser so that we can trade on this website, okay? Yep. So that at least we can confirm whether the market is changing or not, okay? So ukikuja hapa kwa bot section, kama una trade na hii strategy, the under 7 market, you make sure that you load the digit flux robot. Yeah, this one is the bot. Kama una trade, you just make your settings, then unakuja hapa kwa hii analysis tool. Kuna tool ingine pia inaitwa analysis tool, this one right here. Hii sasa ndio tutatumia kutime the market. Tuko pamoja? Haya. So nataka tukuja hapa hivi nionyeshe kitu. Kama ujajoin my WhatsApp channel, up to that point you should have joined. Ukikuja hapa you click this link, itakupeleka direct to my WhatsApp channel, okay? And by joining the channel, at least utakuwa make a very huge step in your trading journey, okay? So nataka tukuja hapa kwa Google, we're going to search the same website, that is the green product site, hivi, okay? Then itatuletea hii link hapa, we're just going to open it directly, itatupeleka kwa that specific account, okay? So kwa this one, I want us to open the DTrader, that one over there. Sasa hii sasa ndio tutatumia kuanalyze market. Before that, let me change this to dark mode due to some reasons. So after that, you're going to wait it to load, and ikiendelea kuload, nataka tukuja hapa tuiweke kama pop-up view hivi, okay? Yeah, kama kuna two devices sio lazima ufanye hivi, and kama kuna device moja, for example una laptop, unaweza tumia a phone and a laptop. So hivi tunafaa tuweke any, that is a over and under right here. Let me show you. Utapata hizo circles zinakuanga kwa the 3 digit market, okay? So we're going to, nataka tupandishe hivyo na hapo hivyo tuweke over and then tupandishe kidogo tu ndio tuone hizo digits vizuri, unaona sasa. Haya, so we're going to open again the derivative bot on the other end. Tuko pamoja? Haya, so ukishafungua hivyo make sure that uko ready sasa ku analyze market, ndio kuja make your settings hapa na mambo itakuwa sawa, okay? So nilisema hivi, kama una trade under 7, make sure that you have to check the position of the red and the green bars, okay? So acha ni try, sijui kama inaweza andika, but the most appearing digit and the second least appearing digit, okay? That is the most appearing digit, the least appearing digit, the second most appearing digit, and the second most appearing digits. Those 4 digits should be on the underside of the prediction, okay? So lazima zikuwe kwa digit 6 and below, okay? Then the most appearing digit should be having a percentage ranging between 10.5% to 11.5% Okay, now let's come on the entry point. We're going to analyze the market together then to trade, so don't worry about hizo conditions, mtazielewa better. Okay, so entry point, there are two types of entry points. This is the one that you'll be using the red bar as your entry point, then kuna ile ingine yenye unatumia ile digit itakuwa ina gain power between the three. Okay, so what does that mean? Make sure that any two digits above 6 or maybe above your prediction, including the prediction itself, because ikitokea kama exit to lose. Okay, so any two zikuwe na less than 10%, then moja ikuwe na decline in percentage. Okay, so I hope up to that point kila mtu kwa pamoja. So acha nikuja hapa niwaonyeshe, tuangalie kama tutapata setup moja. And remember, the opposite of the market will apply to the over two market. Okay, I hope kila mtu tuko pamoja. Okay, yep. So in this one, ukiangalia market upate iko most appearing iko 12.2%, just avoid it. Okay, so let me pause this video, nitafute market then tuendelee. Reason being, sitaki hii video ikuwe much long. So here is a perfect example of what I was exactly trying to mean. Okay, so ukiangalia hapa list appearing iko kwa 6, second list appearing iko kwa sasa imeswitch kwa digit 4 but ilikuwa kwa 0. Okay, so bado tunaweza trade hii market because there is no way utapata market iko perfect or maybe all the conditions are met without any slight changes. Okay, so lazima sometimes upate kuna market iko na some fluctuations hapa na pale. Okay, so the only issue hapa ni digit 3 iko above 12. Okay, so niliwaambia digit iko above 12, chances za kudecrease zinakuanga very high. Okay, that's why nilikuambia range iko between 10.5 to 11.5%. Tuko pamoja? Aya, now let's do this. I'll be trying to get another one but okay, sijui kama nitamanage kutrade because video inaweza kuwa very long of which that is not my wish. Okay, so acha tuone, for example in this one because I can see now hii imeshuka, we can now trade this market. Okay, so let me set my bot, nitakuja hapa hivi because nili load the digit flag robot, nitakuja hapo hivyo kwa bot builder. Acha niweke hiyo kando kidogo. So hapa hivi tutaweka 25 1s venye iko hapa hivi, tuweke over and under, unaona. So hapo hivyo tuweke under because we are going for under 7. Entry point hapo ukiangalia ni digit 8 kwa wenye wanaelewa chenye nimeeleza. Okay, so hapa hivi nataka tuweke target ya only 100 USD but sasa nika risk sana because sitatumia ile 2% to 5% stake due to some reasons. Okay, so stake yangu itakuwa 90, ya pili pia ikuwe 90, then martingale nitatumia 0.3 and the prediction hapa inafaa ikuwe digit 7. Tuko pamoja? Haya, so let's wait and see kama we're going to spot the entry point there. So bado market iko sawa because 7 hajapita 11.5, so that is a 10.5, so bado iko sawa. So what I'm going to do, nitatoa hii so that I can isinisumbue sana, then nitakuja hapa kwa hii analysis tool. Kwa mwenye anatumia simu moja unaweza itumia hii kutime market yako. So hapo unaweka 25 1s then hapa hivi unaweka 1000 ticks, then sasa unangoja entry point yako which is digit 8. Ikitokea hapa hivi is the last digit, we are going to start our robot immediately. Na ndio hiyo, acha tuone venye kutaenda. Okay, the first one is a win, imeenda kwa digit 6. I'm trading on my USD account as you can see. The second one is a win and the third one nisha stop but it's also a win, tumehit 93 USD, unaona. So this is always a very perfect strategy ukielewa vizuri. Naona video almost 10 minutes but I hope you guys umeelewa hii strategy at some point ama ni aje. So make sure that umeingia pale greenpro.site, inakaanga hivi tu, ukifungua utapata inakaa hivi. Okay, then you're going to log into your derivative account, then you start your trading career. Okay, usiache nyuma, join my WhatsApp channel na tupatane 9:30 pm for live trading, mambo iendelee kuchemka. Okay, nilisema kama utafuata chenye nakuambia, you'll always find it very easy to trade. Ukitumia hii strategy, don't forget to trade in intervals. For example, market ingeendelea kukua sawa, ninge make more entries but sasa nimehit my target. So all the best guys, see you all at the top.